I will be sorting these words according if they have a short O sound as in sock, I will put them here. If they have a long O as in bone, I will put it here, and then the oddball. If it has a long O, there's a magic E at the end. Rock, short O sound as in sock. Own, O, long O sound. So don't forget to add a magic E when you write it in your notebook. Cone. Rode, I rode my horse last night. Rode, O, long O sound with a magic E. Job, short O sound. Hope, O, long O sound with a magic E. The O's, long O sound with a magic E. Clock, short O sound. Hot, short O sound. Hose, O, long O sound with a magic E. Oak, long O sound with the magic E. Home, long O sound, the magic E. Pot, short O sound. Rope, long O sound, so do not forget to add the magic E at the end. Come, that is not, it's not the short O sound, it's not the long O. It must be the oddball because it doesn't follow the pattern. Even though it has a magic E, the O does not make the long O sound, makes the sound. Come. Hole, I dug a hole in the ground for the plant to makes the long O sound. That's also not a short O nor a long O. It's the sound, and it has an E at the end, so it does not follow our pattern. Spot, short O sound. Chop, short O sound. Stove, O, long O sound. Rose, long O sound. And oak, long O sound. Broke.